I want to show you how to apply the balance vest. In order to do this, you're just going to go ahead and attach your waist belt buckles. Snug firmly. Helps if you pull directly along and back along the line of the webbing here. Snug firmly. If the position of the belt is not where you want this low as you can on the torso, just with the top of the belt, or the bottom of the belt covering the top of the iliac crest. If you need to adjust that position, you can do so by pulling up on these shoulder straps, the orange webbing here. That'll loosen that so you can move that lower. If you need to raise it up a little higher, you just pull down on the black ends of the strap to snug and to shorten that to bring it up higher. This mass balance vest also features a removable shoulder pad, so you can take that off and remove the shoulder pad, replace it if you desire. On the back, there's a handle that's attached to the shoulder pad that can be used for positioning the patient and helping with postural positioning. The Velcro on this is under the underside of this shoulder pad to remove. Once you have this the balance vest securely in place, it can be used just as shown for just simple spotting in higher functioning patients. However, if you feel like you need a little more support for your patient, or you're concerned about them sliding through the harness in any way, we do have a lower pelvic support strap that can be added to help with giving a little more support. In order to use this, you take the rubber piece here that's going to go back and catch underneath the gluteal fold area of the patient and place that back behind them. And you're going to take your buckles for this and insert them through the orange webbing loops that are dropping off on the bottom edge of the belt of the vest here. So we're going to do that. And we're going to do this here. And then you can kind of take up the slack here to get that back piece, the rubberized piece here, positioned just below and centered below the gluteal fold here. So once you've got that in position, you're going to take these straps and you're going to cross in front of the individual to the belts that are hanging from the waist belt here on the sides and attach. Same thing going the opposite direction. So that now you have the straps crisscrossed in front of the patient. This will really kind of gather and tighten itself on the patient. Now when you're securing this strap, it can be helpful to, as you're trying to tighten, to use your other hand and actually pull on the strap as you're tightening with the other hand, and that'll get you a little more secure fit and tightening. You have a single point here that can be used with a simple rope drop system or with a height adjustment system that can be attached to the single point. Again, more for your higher level patients that you're looking just for more of a spotting system. In addition, there's a pocket in the back of this vest that for any extra rope that's hanging can be placed in the pocket to keep it from getting in your way or dragging on the ground.